Intention for your water to soak up this code. And you probably can't read what it says, but I'll tell you what it says. It's the the first essence water code, Lemurian water dragon sea song. This is from Susan Armara. And she says it is music and liquidity of consciousness, a form of watery fluid motion and color. The word dragon can be very misleading. This is a founder song to the sea. So these are the founder dragons. A first blessing of ocean. We sing these songs in reverence to the deep earth ocean waters and currents that move the heat and nutrients around the ocean. The crystal structures in the water and bigger multidimensional structures hear these songs, and the walls of these structures vibrate, and we feel the return and connection in our bodies. We watch the waves, we feel them, we listen. What stirs in our deep places may be more evident when we pause to listen and feel how we are connected to the rhythm of nature and eternal flow, allowing the first essence to sing gracefully back to our DNA so we appreciate our way of life more in harmony with reverence and love. Okay, so that's the energy we're bringing into the water. So your water is on top of it. And then you're just sending the water that energy. Okay, you can be on a bolster. For the Kriyas, a lot of hands. So get as comfortable as you can. Kriya to erase the wounds of the first 7 years. So I was mentioning that your relationship with money forms that early. And my relationship with money early on was scarcity and people taking my money away. And so my whole life has had elements of that. And so this will bring up that so you could heal that, because we need to heal this first 3 chakra stuff to move into the new. Tony's first experience of money was very different than mine. People just giving him money. Oh, you have money? Well, let me give you some more money so you could have more. What a great way for a child to experience that, right? So it's exactly opposite mine. So it's literally when people say you're looking at the glass half full or is half empty. It's that consciousness that forms when you're so little. And how you look at everything, right? And really, really watch it. Like, are your relationships transactional in nature? That's something like to really look at. Oh, do I only care for this person because they can do something for me, instead of just caring for the person as a human being? So it goes really deep in our DNA. Okay, so just ask that you be shown if it's not really evident to you, or another layer can come off, because we're never really done healing, right? All right. So you're here, all 5 fingers, and then you're gonna do these 2 fingers. 5 fingers on the right, 2 fingers on the left. Okay, so 7, here's 7, okay. So you're gonna close the right, and then as you open the right, you're gonna close the left down. So you're going back and forth, right? Eyes at the tip of your nose. I know. And I'm going to play the secret songs of Rama to get you in a little rhythm. So barely, your eyes are barely open. You're looking down at the tip of your nose. You could probably see your water and the code there. Got it? find your rhythm. There's a fast rhythm and a slow rhythm. Really try to stare at the tip of your nose. If it starts to hurt your forehead, it means the pituitary gland is secreting. Just close your eyes a moment and then go back to barely open eyes, looking at the tip of your nose.